Hi everybody, today we're going to be checking out the Forest River Impression. This is going to be their 318 RL View floor plan. At the very front here, you're going to find your basement or your pass-through storage. Have a nice bottle opener, as well as your battery disconnect, solar controller, a couple lights to illuminate the area. Do you have a place to put an outdoor TV if you'd like to do so? Below your entry door, you have a really nice pair of solid steps with a grab handle right next to it. And if I take a step back, you can see just how big these awnings are. They go over the whole side of the campsite of the camper. You do have an electronic leveling system on this fifth wheel, which you can see right underneath the slide out. You do also have dual axle on this fifth wheel as well. Heading towards the back of the fifth wheel, if you look up, you can see that you have backup camera prep, as well as a nice big ladder there on the left. Do have a fully walkable roof on this one. Looking down, you do have your hitch receiver, so if you'd like to put a bike rack or maybe tow something small, you are able to do so. Heading towards the driver's side, you notice that this camper does have 2 slide outs on the driver's side, so 3 slide outs altogether. Now, since this is a bigger fifth wheel, this is going to be a 50 amp. This is where you would plug in your cord. Right below that, you do have your sewer outlet connection. Moving forward, you have your water heater, and then the other side of your basement. So like I said, you do have your electronic leveling system right there by Lippert, and then you do have your water station right across from that. Moving forward, you're going to find both of your propane tanks, and then underneath the hitch area, you're going to find some more storage as well as your spare tire. And then at the very front, you're going to find your heavy-duty Rhino box hitch. All right, let's head in on the inside and check it out. Stepping on the inside of this camper to the right of your entry door, you're going to find this huge desk area. So you have nice wicker baskets underneath, drawers on either side so you can store your office supplies. Maybe you work from home. You do also have a little bit of extra storage underneath that countertop there as well. Right next to that, you're going to find your theater seating. They do recline, and they are right across from your entertainment center. 4 cup holders all together, but if you do not need the center 2, you are able to flip that guy up. On the very back wall of this camper, if I take a step back, you can see just how many windows are in this fifth wheel. Definitely light and airy. We love that. And then at the back, you're going to find your trifold sofa. So this does fold into a bed. Cute wicker baskets above to store your knickknacks. And then on either side of the couch, you are going to have a little bit of extra storage. Moving to your entertainment center, you are going to find your smart TV as well as storage on either side. Instead of a sound bar, they did give you Bluetooth speakers so that you can bring them wherever you are. Cute little fireplace right down below. It is a 30-incher, and then storage on either side of that. Moving to the right, if you go through this door here, you do have a hidden bunk area. So if you need a place for those kiddos to stay, you do have 2 bunks in this room. So 1 up top, 1 down below. You do have 2 extra chairs here for the kitchen island. And then across from your bunks, you do have more wicker baskets. Now, if I take a step back, you can see just how amazing this kitchen is. You have a huge kitchen island, like I said. Love the light fixtures. You do have 2 extra chairs, like I said, in the bunk room as well. So 4 chairs totaling. Single basin sink with some storage down below. And then as far as pantry storage goes, you do have tons of storage in here. 3 shelves with a nice motion light to illuminate the area. Nice big residential style fridge. 3 burner cooktop, oven down below. And then your microwave up above. And there is plenty of storage in here as far as drawers go to store all your cooking utensils. And then heading down the hallway to your left, you are going to see your control panel as well as a nice little coat rack, maybe a place to store your keys. So on your control panel area, you do have your heat and AC controls as well as your water heater, your slides, your awnings, your tank levels. It all can be controlled right here. Going up these couple steps here to your left, we are going to run into your bathroom. So you do have a porcelain toilet right in the middle. Dual vanity on this one with mirrored cupboards up above to really open up the space. And then across from that, you are going to have your shower. So a little footrest, maybe a little seat. You do have this gray and black marbling, which is just gorgeous. Skylight above to give you a little bit of extra headroom. And then if we take a step back, you can kind of take in this bathroom area with your dual vanity. Moving towards the very front of the camper, we are going to run into your main bedroom. So this is a king size bed. It is on a VersaTilt to give you a little bit of extra legroom in here, and it really does. Across from the bed, you do have 3 drawers to store some of your clothes. And then if that wasn't enough room for you, you do have a huge wardrobe at the very front of this fifth wheel. You also have washer and dryer prep in there as well. Nice little shoe storage, couple of lights to lighten it up. And then you do have charging ports on either side of the bed, as well as nice little shelves above the windows. Across from the bed, you do have a TV backer in case you wanted to put a TV here in the main bedroom. And then right next to the door, you have your slide out control, VersaTilt control, as well as your light switch. All right, guys, that's going to be your 2025 Forest River Impression 318 RL View. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Cute wicker baskets above to store your knickknacks. And then on either side of the couch, you are going to have a little bit of extra storage.